Hello, good afternoon, 2022, and today I'm going to introduce how I use Python to make sure the file is modified or not. I will know it. Why I have that intention to write such a program is because of my project now for writing app in um, Kiwi and Bulldozer. I got already everything ready using Kiwi and Kiwi MD and write a simple game, and then I have to upload to the Play Store in Google, and that I need to use the Bulldozer, and I'm struggling with the spec, and whenever I change anything in the spec, then I found out that I have to remove the whole directory, the temporary directory of the Bulldozer. Otherwise, I cannot have compiled everything correctly. This means that I'm in my program to automate this process. I have to know whether I've changed the spec or not. Okay, that is the reason for me to write this program in Python. Let's say we have to suppose that just for argument's sake, I would use the temp task. That is just a task. Okay, I will change it. Okay, then I run the file name and I will know about a change status, and I will print out whether it changed or not. Okay, I run it. Suppose I have no change, then the answer is no change. Now I run it. I have to change it. And I'm going to make a date. Okay. Then I have to find out that has been changed. Okay, so this little script works, and then I would include into my one of my Python classes in order to automate my final program for uploading of the Bulldozer specification. Not uploading, but I would do whatever I want to do after knowing that it has been changed or not. If not changed, I preserve the spec file, all the building of the compilation previously done, all the code, I can preserve it. Otherwise, I would create everything and do it all over again. So this is important to know whether I have edited some of the file, some of the specification file. Now I'm brained about the logic. First of all, when I pass over the argument, the file name, I have to find out the modification time, the end time, and for this one, I use the get time. So you can print it here. Okay, and here I so that is a magic number. Okay. So that's a magic number. And now I would call up a system to do Emacs, or I can do VI. Okay, I can use VI also, and I can change it. If it change, compare the chain of return none. If not, it has been changed. Okay. So the logic is so simple. Now I can use VI. Okay, so this means that After running that, I would find out whether I would do this again to get m time again and check whether it is equal to the previously m time. If yes, I return none. I don't need to use the else here. Else no need, because the code no else return, and I can return to that one and I can do this again. So run it again. Okay, I have no change, no change. Run it again. Change it. Yeah, have been changed. Okay, that's it, and it's not difficult, but it can be very helpful in using small program that works and built into the bigger system. Okay, thank you for listening to my sharing experience today, and hope to talk to you again sometime later. Bye.